Hey, welcome to Extreme RC Off-Roading. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install V-Lock wheels. Today we're going to be installing Injora mud terrain tires. Very nice and grippy. They do have foam inside. Now, let me show you how to install them. So these are the tires, they're pretty nice. They have foams inside. Nice and grippy. Okay, before we get started, I did vent this part so that the tire could be squishy and air could be released from inside the tire. So let's get started. First, you need to place this ring inside your tire. Make sure it is centered. There we go. Now, I'll put this here, like that. Go to the other side. Get the other piece and push it in. Align these triangles to those triangles. Okay, there we go. That seems perfectly aligned. Get this piece and place it on the deep side. As I said earlier, align this, align the little holes with the holes on here. There we go, everything is aligned. Now all you need to do is screw it. Flip it over very carefully. Hold the back piece with your finger. Insert a screw. Try not to move the back piece at all. If you do move it, then you need to align it again. Let go of the back piece once you have one screw in. They are nice and squishy. Now repeat the same steps to all the screws. And that's it, you're done. Nice and squishy tire, and when you install it, you're gonna have a few centimeters of extra width. Due to this part right here. A few centimeters of extra width. And with these mini crawlers, anything helps. I'm gonna install it on my crawler. I already installed the other tires. This was the last one. If you want to see the video of this little mini crawler right here, I'll put the thing right here somewhere, right there, and in the description below. I recently built this mini crawler. It's an SCX24 with an Injora buggy cage. But watch the video. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, as it really helps the channel out. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video.